Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Shopify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on Shopify, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The home page of Shopify application will appear on the screen. Click on My Store icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on Settings. You will end up on the settings page of Shopify's account. Scroll all the way down and tap on Languages. On the next page, click on three dots right next to your current language. Now tap on arrow icon and from the displayed option, choose and tap any language that you would like to change to on Shopify, and that's how you will be able to change your language on Shopify's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.